Howdy, Possum Patty here, and this is a sponsored Panda haul. So let's see what they sent me to review. Excuse me one moment here while I get it out of the package. I thought I had opened this up, but apparently it doesn't want to come out. Well, I give them A+ for packaging because that was very well wrapped. And I have 4 items here. And the first one is washi tape. And I will put these product codes below. And they're all different sizes. And these are kind of like a vintage look. And there's one that is very wide. And it is a map of the world. The next one is like vintage advertisements. This one is old-fashioned tickets. This one is old-fashioned script. This one is sort of like more advertisements, but it looks like fashion women. And then there's a very skinny one with script, and another one that is just like a vintage, sort of like graph paper. I love these vintage colors. Not always my style, but sometimes I like this, especially in the fall. I love those colors. And this is the Panda Haul Selected website. This is what it looks like. The page with the washi tape, and it is by Create and Inspire. And you get the 7 rolls. You can see here that it is $7.65 for this package of vintage tape. Okay, now this is a set of dies. I will be doing a review video and use these dies and show you. What they turn out to be. I know it's hard to tell what a die is unless you see it, but we have a bunch of birds with like, decorative scrolling in the wings and on the body. That one's very pretty. Here's another one, a little slightly different. So that's 2. Number 3, it's a standing bird. Number 4. Number 5. They're all just slightly different. Some flying, some standing. Number 6. I think these would be fun to cut out in the color. Number 7 and number 8. And there's one more in the package, 2 more in the package. 9 looks like a hummingbird. And there's one more. There's 10 birds. 10 birds in the package. Another hummingbird. Wow, so that's really cool. I can't wait to try these out. I think these are just the right size to decorate a journal page too. Maybe my garden journal or my spring journal or my summer journal. So I have 10 of those. Some directions on the back. And here is the Panda Haul website for the dies. You can get a better idea now of what these dies look like when you cut them out. I just thought these little birds were so precious. And you get all of these dies, 10 of them, for $8.41. I thought that was a good deal. Another item that I got was this set. It comes 3 bags of paper, and each sheet of paper is about almost 6 by almost 8 inches. And there are 7 designs and 2 of each in each pack, and this all comes together. And I'm going to start with the fairies because this kind of sold me on this set. It's Wildflowers and Fairies. Kind of grasses, looks like some grasses in there. And then we have tree trunks, looks like birch. Flowers. I love the lavender and the blues and the greens as the wildflowers again. And sparkly stars and fairies. I love this. Love it, love it, love it. And then the cut aparts, sparkly borders. And so that's 7 different designs, and then it starts again. So that's one set. The next set is kind of like Watercolor Gardens. And there's 2 on each page of these smaller images. Make great journaling cards or tags or focal points on a page. Look at the colors on this. Isn't that gorgeous? 2 of each, and then this would be like a background page. 2 of those, and then kind of pink into purple, and blue into green. And then the third set is like roses and swans inside of hearts, and like a confetti background, beautiful blues and lavenders and pinks again. You could probably mix and match all these sets. Tiny roses, great for background. Look at this, so pretty, lavender swans, isn't that beautiful? And some more roses. So all 3 sets come together in one bag, and I will link this below too. And this is the Panda website with the 3 packs of papers. And you can see that you get all 3 packs for only $11.30. Okay, I got a piece of black paper so I can show you these stencils. They're very nice quality. And beautiful feather, kind of large, but you know what? I think this would be really nice. Do some jelly plate printing. This is big enough to go into my Asian glue book, isn't it? Anyway, I love the feather. A variety of leaves. Now, these are smaller. These will fit on anything. Oh, I love this one. And that one. Some more leaves and a feather. I like this feather kind of bent over. And some more feathers, different kinds of feathers and leaves. Leaves. That could be a leaf or a feather, couldn't it? I love this one. Is that showing? Yeah. And this is like a fern. I gotta stand up, make sure the whole thing is in there because these are so big. And look at this one. It's got like branches with berries on it and seed pods. And here's another fern. And some more feathers. I have to get out the jelly plate and do some of these ferns. It's like a fern I have in my yard. Looks like a wood fern. And some more feathers and ferns. And a very large feather. I like that. Some leaves. Oh, this is beautiful. These are really nice. I will link these products below. Look at these leaves. These are gorgeous. And a leaf. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wow. 15 stencils, all feathers and leaves. This is really nice. You know, I love my nature. And this is quite a variety in different sizes, from very large to smaller. Here is the website page for the stencils, the feathers, and the leaves. And you can see that these are on sale right now for $8.48. And you get quite a selection. There are 15 of them. So I've got beautiful paper, I've got stencils, I've got washi tape, and I've got die cuts. So I will be doing a review on each of these products. And I hope you join me for the review, and I hope you click on the link and go visit Panda Haul and check out these products. So thanks for coming along today, and happy junk journaling. Bye-bye.